So one development around the needle-free shock syringe for the painless injections. It is believed they are going to replace the injections that we've been using, which has a needle, and this might prove effective and efficient for everyone in the sense that it will be causing less a lot of less pain, and it is going to be safe from the perspective of the diseases which were earlier believed that if the syringes are not disposed properly, it might lead to certain spreading of the diseases also. So there are very minimal chances of those types of disease spread from needleless syringes, and it might also help in increasing the immunization also. So here we can understand how is it going to work, why it is being called as the shock syringe. It is going to be needle free, but why shock syringe? So it is having three components. One is the driver, second is the driven, and third is the drug holder. So shock wave driven microjet for the drug delivery is the name of the process, how it will be functioning. Will use pressurized nitrogen gas, which will be applied to the shock syringe, and that is going to act as driver of the micro shock tube, which is a part of this, and microjet of drug can happen. So precision based medicine, and microjet will be traveling at a speed which will be nearly twice as fast as a commercial aeroplane at the time when it is taking off, nearly twice the speed of that. So that is why it is being called as a shock syringe. Will be through that tactics and the technique we'll see in the upcoming times the precision drug delivery will be happening. Also, it can be used multiple times, unlike the syringes with the needles. It will be more, we can say, cost effective in terms of that, more reliable.